Cisco Systems reported astonishing earnings today, revealing a significant surge in AI-related orders that shocked Wall Street. This news has sent ripples through the tech market, prompting an urgent reevaluation of the company's position in the rapidly evolving AI landscape. As Cisco moves forward, several key factors will determine the trajectory of its stock and the broader market. Recently, the tech giant reported a significant uptick in AI-related orders, sparking interest among investors. This surge comes as companies increasingly pivot toward artificial intelligence to enhance their operational efficiencies and innovate their product offerings. The growing reliance on AI technologies across various sectors, including healthcare, finance, and manufacturing, underscores the urgency for infrastructure that can support these advancements. Analysts will closely monitor whether this acceleration in AI orders continues in the coming quarters, as sustained demand is crucial for long-term growth. Cisco's historical role as a leader in networking and infrastructure positions it favorably in this evolving landscape. The company has invested heavily in AI technologies, which could translate into competitive advantages over its rivals. However, investors will scrutinize whether Cisco's guidance is conservative or if it has the potential for further upward revisions, reflecting confidence in continued growth. The ability of Cisco to convert this newfound demand into sustained revenue growth will be vital for its long-term outlook. A successful transition could reinforce its reputation as a legitimate player in the AI infrastructure market, potentially benefiting other infrastructure companies focused on similar technologies. The near-term rally sparked by this earnings report may lead to analysts raising their estimates, further solidifying investor interest. However, the critical question remains, is this a one-quarter surprise, or are we witnessing the beginning of a new growth phase for Cisco? Looking ahead, the market's reaction could hinge on upcoming financial reports that reveal whether this momentum is sustainable. Cisco's performance in the next few quarters will be pivotal in determining its future trajectory as it navigates these transformative changes in the tech landscape. Cisco's journey to this significant earnings report has been long and challenging. The company, once synonymous with networking hardware, has faced mounting pressure to transform its image and embrace innovation in a rapidly evolving tech landscape. Over the past few years, Cisco struggled to keep pace with the explosive growth of semiconductor and software companies, particularly in the booming AI sector. Historically, Cisco was not initially seen as a leader in AI technologies, which limited its appeal amidst the competitive surge. However, the recent surge in demand for AI solutions has created a pivotal opportunity for Cisco to reposition itself strategically. As hyperscalers, cloud providers, and enterprises accelerate their AI deployments, they require enhanced networking capabilities. This includes faster switching and routing, higher bandwidth infrastructure, and resilient data center solutions. Cisco's investments in AI infrastructure are beginning to bear fruit, as evidenced by the positive shift in its financial performance. This development signifies a crucial turning point for the company, illustrating the importance of adaptability in the face of technological disruption. The broader tech industry is witnessing a shift where AI is becoming integral across various sectors, compelling companies to innovate continually. Cisco's proactive approach in integrating AI capabilities into its product offerings can help it reclaim its status as a market leader. Looking ahead, Cisco is poised to leverage its strengthened position in the AI market. The company aims to solidify its role as a leading provider of networking solutions tailored for AI applications, which could redefine its growth trajectory. As businesses increasingly integrate AI into their operations, Cisco's ability to deliver robust networking solutions will be critical. The company's commitment to embracing change may well determine its success in the competitive tech landscape of the future, especially as AI continues to reshape industries worldwide. Cisco's recent earnings report has taken the financial world by surprise, underscoring a significant shift in enterprise spending patterns. The company has demonstrated remarkable growth, particularly in sectors related to artificial intelligence infrastructure. This growth suggests that investment is not confined solely to semiconductor firms, but is extending into networking and data center solutions. Such a trend is vital, as it indicates a broader economic transformation where businesses are increasingly allocating resources toward the foundational elements necessary for AI systems to operate effectively. Historically, the tech landscape has been dominated by a few giants, primarily focusing on software and hardware directly associated with AI. However, Cisco's strong performance highlights the potential for monetization across a wider array of companies, offering a roadmap for others eager to harness the AI revolution. As firms recognize the importance of robust infrastructure for AI deployment, this diversification of investment becomes crucial for sustaining long-term growth in the technology sector. It signals that companies across various industries are taking AI integration seriously, moving beyond merely adopting AI tools to investing in the critical infrastructure that supports them. The immediate impact of Cisco's report has been felt throughout the tech sector. Shares of other networking and infrastructure companies have soared, reflecting newfound confidence among investors. This surge is not merely a victory for Cisco. It could catalyze a broader uplift in the entire enterprise infrastructure segment. Such a shift has the potential to influence stock prices and investment strategies across the market, as investors begin to recognize the importance of these foundational technologies in the evolving landscape of artificial intelligence. Looking ahead, as companies continue to ramp up their investments in AI capabilities, the demand for robust networking and data center solutions will likely escalate. This presents a unique opportunity for firms in these sectors to innovate and expand their offerings. Investors should keep a close eye on this trend, as it may redefine the competitive landscape in technology. In the coming quarters, it will be essential to monitor how companies adapt to these changes, as the momentum generated by Cisco's success could lead to a transformative era in enterprise technology investment. On May 18, 2026, Cisco Systems delivered a remarkable earnings report for its fiscal quarter, significantly surpassing Wall Street's expectations. The company reported revenues of $14.6 billion, which was a 12% increase year over year, and earnings per share of 82 cents, exceeding the consensus estimate of 74 cents. The standout feature of this report was Cisco's sharp acceleration in AI-related orders, which have surged by over 30% compared to the previous quarter. This surge in orders is attributed to the increasing reliance on artificial intelligence across various sectors, as businesses strive to integrate advanced technologies into their operations. Cisco's management emphasized that this increase in AI orders is a clear indicator of the growing demand for AI infrastructure, a trend that has rapidly reshaped the tech landscape. Following the announcement, Cisco's stock price soared by approximately 15%, marking one of its most significant single-day rallies in recent years. This surge in stock price not only reflects investor optimism, but also signifies a broader shift in the market's perception of Cisco from a traditional networking company to a key player in the AI infrastructure domain. Analysts have noted that this pivot is crucial, as the tech industry increasingly prioritizes AI capabilities to enhance efficiency and foster innovation. Unlike previous earnings reports, which often highlighted slow growth and legacy concerns, this time investors are excited about Cisco's prospects in the burgeoning AI market, making the company relevant once again in the tech landscape. The implications of this earnings report extend beyond the immediate financial metrics. Cisco's renewed focus on AI not only positions the company for long-term growth, but also signals a competitive shift among its peers. Other tech giants are likely to respond to Cisco's success by accelerating their own AI initiatives, which could lead to increased innovation across the industry. Looking ahead, Cisco's management has indicated plans to further invest in AI technologies and partnerships, aiming to consolidate its position as a leader in this space. With the AI market expected to grow exponentially in the coming years, Cisco appears well-positioned to capitalize on this trend, potentially redefining its legacy in the tech industry. As we monitor these developments, we ask, will Cisco maintain this momentum, or is this just a fleeting success? Share your predictions in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for daily deep dives into the stories that shape our world.